Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the freezer evaporator fan motor in a GE refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a 3/8 wrench with an extension and a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new freezer evaporator fan motor. The freezer evaporator fan motor is located inside the freezer compartment behind the evaporator cover. It blows air through the evaporator coil and then circulates it throughout the compartment. If there is noise coming from the freezer compartment or the temperature rises up above normal, causing mushy food, and there is no air coming out of the air ducts, check and replace the freezer evaporator fan motor if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. Now I'm going to remove the drawer from the freezer. And slide it out. Next, we're going to use a 3/8 wrench, and we're going to take out 3 bolts here that holds the door, 3 on each side. And now we're going to lift off the door. I'm going to push the door rails in. Now I'm going to remove the freezer drawers. Pull out and lift it off. Same here. Pull out, lift it off. And I'm going to push in the rails. Alright, so our next step would be removing this cover. And I'm going to use a flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to insert it into this opening. And we're going to pry this, push it up. And now we can pull it down slightly and remove it. So now I'm going to unplug this. I'm going to squeeze these side tabs and pull it down. So now I'm going to take out the harness from this holder and I'm going to pull it out. Let it hang, and now we're going to remove this the motor itself. So we have a tab here on the side, and there's 2 tabs here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open this tab, and I'm going to pull, at the same time I'm going to pull the motor frame out. And then I'm going to slide it this way. So our next task would be peeling off this insulation from the old fan motor. Start at the end. Try not to break it. All right. This is the old freezer evaporator fan motor next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. All right, now I'm going to install this felt seal onto the new fan motor. And I'm going to start from this corner. And that. Turn in now. This ears goes in. And it's ready to go into the fridge. So now I'm going to install the new fan motor. This left side goes under the 2 tabs. And we're going to press the right side in. So this tab going to hold the motor. So next we're going to place the harness under this retainer. I'm going to start from here. I'll pull it up. And next I'm going to plug this in. And now we can install the grill. These tabs on the sides are going to lock
into these channels here, and I'm gonna place it, and I'm gonna push it up, and this we're gonna push it in. Okay, now I'm gonna place the drawers in. I'm gonna pull out the rails. I'm gonna show you how this bin goes in. This tip goes right there, and there's 1, 2, and 3 tabs goes in the cutouts here. Same on this side. So now we're gonna pull out the door rails. All right, now I'm gonna install the door. We're gonna place it on the slides, on the hinges, and underneath of these 2 rails. This hook will go into this cutout on one side and the opposite side. So now let's secure the door to the hinges here. I have 3 3/8 bolts on each side. I'm gonna start manually, and I'm gonna use the socket wrench here. And now we can close the freezer door.
Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.